23. Argent. Ventilasyon to Espinosa. To hangad. Hangad. Yun. Grabe naman. 2 points. Hangad. Shot clock. 5 shot clock. Good for 2 points. Yes. Nasa kay hangad. To Espinosa. Good for 2 points. At the last 10. To Argelen. Umikot. Ang ganda. Parang ako. Argelen. Good for 2 points. Scalona. Titira yan for sure. 3 points. Rebound by Espinosa. Steal by Liao. Good for 2 points. Liao. 18. To hangad. Last 14. Wow! Dito. Arjun ngayon. To Perez. Tumira ng 3 points. Perez.
Welcome to my channel.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my latest uploads. Let's start.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Basketballers.
Jump ball between Jimenez and Ho. First possession goes to Liao. To Hangelet. To Glass. To Ho. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul. Ventilation. First personal foul. First big foul. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Good for 1 point. Perez. Ito hangan. Kapalawan media. To Escalona. Escalona bumangga. Bumangga ulit. To Ventilation. To Jimenez. To hangan. 3. Good for 3 points. Hangan. Toto. Liao. Liao ngayon. Nagawan. Out of bounds. Hangan. To Escalona. Okay. Rapid violation by Escalona. Arjun ngayon. To Perez. Tumira ng 3 points. Perez. 3. Yawamang Rastos. Anders ka lang. Escalona. To Haman. Wala. Rebound by Esmeralda. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bloss. Hargelin niya. Good for 2 points. Hargelin. 5 seconds. Escalona. To Haman. To Binanan. Perez. Wala. To rebound by Perez. Ang laki. And last. To Hargelin. To Liao. Kanya pa rin. Good for 2 points. Hargelin. Score. Escalona. Rebound.
Take 3 in favor of Thunders.
Escalona. Escalona ngayon. 5. Who's foul rep? Jersey number. Escalona. To Hamad. The last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 3 points. Ventilation. To Hargelin. Last 14 shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Gandong break. Ang tira. Wala. Rebound by Hangad. To Escalona. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola. Mapupunta. Argelin. Argelin ngayon. Nakagaw ni Ventilasyon. Steal. Steal din ni Perez. To Hong. Pinasa kay. Wala. Out of bounds. Last 1 minute and 29 seconds. Last 10 shot clock. Last 11. Hangad. Brad. Hangad. To ventilasyon. Good. Escalona. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Harjulen. Harjulen. Buwelaw. Pinangga si Brad. Wala. Rebound by Escalona. Wala ulit. Rebound by Hong. 30 seconds. Hangan niyo. Ventilasyon. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Jimenez. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jimenez. Tuliao. Arban. Swag. Ngayon. Escalona. Escalona last. 12. 10. 7. Wala. Buzzer only, buzzer. Time for the first quarter. Score 8-6 in favor of Thunders. Espinosa. To ventilasyon, nag-fake. Tumira. Nagpasabit. Wow. Who's foul room? Jersey number 6. Sound. On the other to Harjulen. 3 points. Harjulen. Shot clock 15. Escalona, nag-fake. Pinasa kay Jimenez. Out of bounds by Escalona. To Jimenez. Tumikot. Tumira. Wala. Laki. Mantay. To Espinosa. To Escalona. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jimenez. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Blas. To Montalegre. To Hong. To Harjulen. To Montalegre. To fake. Good. Oh, wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound by ventilasyon. To Hangad. Inaarawan ni Harjulen. Jimenez. To Escalona. Shot clock. Rebound by Liao. Kaya na. To Liao. Good for 2 points. Liao. Score 13-6. Rebound ay still by Liao. Second quarter. To ventilasyon. Ay, Espinosa. Escalona. Titira yan for sure. 3 points. Escalona. Oh. Wala. Score 13-9. Ventilasyon. Court to court. Out of bounds. 9. Jimenez to Hangad. To Espinosa. Ganda. Wala. Rebound by Jimenez. Out of bounds. Wala. Still. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola. It's 15 seconds. Last. Tinira. Wala. To Hong. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Hong. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin ni Hong. Good for 2 points. Hong. Escalona. Escalona ngayon. Ah, siyempre. Escalona. Pinasa. For the first time. Tira pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Espinosa. Jimenez. Liao. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Good for 1 point. Jimenez. 20 seconds for the second quarter. Argel last 10. So Argel. Umikot, ang ganda. Parang ako. Argel, good for 2 points. Angat, seryoso. Last 1 minute. Espinosa to Jimenez, wala. Jimenez pa rin. Kanya pa rin, wala. Hindi na may wala. Rebound by Hawk. To Harjulen. Diretso na ba? Tibip! Good for 2 points. Harjulen. 50 seconds. Escalona. To Ventilacion. D1 by Blast. Takbo. Montalegre, last 18. 15. Short. Rebound by Espinosa. To last 5. Buzzer only. Last 3. 2. End of the second quarter. Score 19-11 in favor of Thunders. Arjun ngayon. To Blast. Hindi na ba? To Hawk. Nagulat. Rebound by Jimenez. Jimenez. Kwarto-kwarto. Jimenez. Nasa kay Hamad. To Espinosa. Good for 2 points. Espinosa. Blast. Hindi na ba? Pinaligay mo Montalegre. Titira. Black. Steal by Escalona. 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 Black by Hawk. 5 piso. Angat. Tabingi. Rebound by Espinosa. Arjun. Good for 2 points. Timeout. Rascals. Jimenez. To Hamad. Tumira ulit. Crocodiles. To Montalegre. Rebound by wala. Out of bounds. To Montalegre. To Blast. Hindi na ba? To Harjulen. Loss. 10 shots lang. Wala. Rebound by Hangat. Doon. Ventilacion. Hangat. Tinira na naman. Nakatatlo ka na. Harjulen. Rebound by Harjulen. Out of bounds. Wala. Iyon na. Out of bounds. Airball. 7. Escalona. Warning for flogging. Good for 2 points. Perez. The boys. And this. Hangat. Ventilacion. To Jimenez. Out of bounds. 23. Arjun. 3 points. Lumalaban na po namang ng Thunders. Escalona. Babawi. Rebound by Jimenez. Binangga. Ang laki. Good for 2 points. Jimenez. 2 minutes for the third quarter. Arjun. Titira ulit. Wala na. Rebound by Ventilacion. Ventilacion yun. Ventilacion. Ventilacion. Wala. Bayaw. Rebound by Ventilacion. Let. To Escalona. 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 To Ventilacion. Last 7. Sa shot clock. Good. That's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Hagilin. Montelegre. Driven by Espinosa. Steal by Liao. Good for 2 points. Liao left. 53 seconds. Lost. 53. 40. Inagawan ng Candy. Montelegre. Last 30. To last. Good for 2 points. Kuya Rapas. Last 22. 18. To Hangat. Last 14. Wow! Dinugod by Lexter Langat. Last 8. 4. 3. End of the third quarter. This is a quarter between Thunders and Rascals. Rebound by Perez. To Balmacena. Balmacena. Hindi binang na yan? Sana. Kung di nilabas. Jimenez. Jimenez. Akin na to. Wow. Counted. Who's ball rep? Jersey number 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Wala. Hindi napasok ang Montelegre. Montelegre. To Perez. Titira ba? 10 shot clock. Balmacena last 7 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Good for 2 points. Oh. Angan to Escalona. Matik yan. Balmacena to Perez. Perez, tanggal mo kaya. Good for 2 points. Perez. 34-19. Jimenez. Rebound by Espinosa. To Ventilacion. Last 9 shot clock. Okay. Wala. Rebound by Balmacena. Out of 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Tira yan. Wala. Rebound by Hawk. O ngayon. Coast to coast. Good. 4 points. Hawk. Escalona. 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 Tira. Ventilacion. Talaga yan. Jimenez. Bikot. Airball. Perez. Rebound by Perez. To steal by Hamad. Wow! Who's ball rep? Good for 1 point. Mr. Lexter Hamad. Gusto mo ng beef bread? Arvaz, bola! Villaros. Douglas. To Villaros. Airball. Ventilacion. Ventilacion. Uy! Rep, who's ball rep? Espinosa. Rebound by Jimenez. Good for 2 points. Jimenez. Tao. Fourth and final quarter last. Wow! Rebound by Ventilacion. Ventilacion. Ventilacion to Espinosa. To Hangad. Hangad. Yun. Grabe naman. 2 points. Hangad. 80 seconds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 36, 34, last 10 shot clock. 5, shot clock. 2, 1. Shot clock. Espinosa. Wala. Rebound by Blas. 13 shot clock. To Montalegre. Montalegre. To Balmacena. Last 5 seconds. Good. 42 points. Balmacena. Escalona. Give it a shot to Escalona. To Jimenez. Block. Block by Perez. Nagkamanggahan po. Di naman. Montalegre, last 10. 8. 5. Ebol. Lost. Perez. 21-24. Rebound by Perez. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Belarus, wala. Rebound by Ventilation. Oh, Hangad. Wow. Escalona. Good for 2 points for Escalona. 15 po. Given by Balmacena to Montalegre. Easy basket. Good for 2 points. Montalegre. Last 35. 2 points. Escalona. Belarus last 25. 17. Rebound by Perez. Good for 2 points. Yeah, no more shots now. 7. 5. And of the fourth and final quarter winner, Thunders score 45-30. Congratulations po sa Thunders. Next game.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Basketballers